to my channel. Today's video is one that I am super excited about, y'all, and it is on these guys right here. And these are the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink Lippies. You guys know how I love a good lippy, and so I picked these up. This is their coffee edition. I have some of the SuperStay matte inks in other shades, but this is their limited edition, the coffee edition. So I'm super excited to try these out and show you guys how these look on me. Now, Maybelline released 6 shades. I have 5 of those shades. The only one I don't have is the espresso shade, and it's just because I cannot find it. I can't get my hands on it yet, but I will. And it is the darkest shade that they have. They retail for $7.99. Now, I picked mine up at Walmart. Now, I have worn 2 of these shades, and what I will say about them is that they are extremely creamy, and they do dry down to a matte, but they are not drying where they're cracking on your lips. They don't feel dry at all. I absolutely love them. I hope they release more shades. Like I said, I had tried already their matte inks before, but this is the coffee edition, so something great for fall in the dark shades. I am excited about them, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a look. I'm gonna go off camera and I'm just gonna show you how they look on me. I will not hold you guys long at all. Again, I absolutely love these lip products, these lippies, just because, like I said, they are extremely creamy, and they dry down matte. And if you know me, you know I love a good matte, girl. Yes, I do. All right, so let's get right into the video. If you want to see how these look on me, keep watching. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell so that you can see every time I upload a video. All right, until next time, guys and girls, I will see you all in my next video. Let's get into it. Let's go.